My name's Matt, and you're here for another vlog. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Prime. It's the drink that was created by YouTubers. Logan Paul and, what's the other guy's name? Prime. The drink from YouTubers Logan Paul and KSI. They're also involved with music, wrestling, boxing. I don't know. They do a little bit of everything. But today I'm doing the video in the Dagley studio. This is where we recorded the podcast that's coming out tomorrow. Notachickenline.dagleymedia.com. Be sure to check that out. And here, I'll show you the set a little bit. So there's our chicken. We used the H4n to record it. Obviously all this would be hooked up. I'm also working on another project here. Got a gimbal and gonna hook it up to an Xbox controller, and then I can hook my phone into here and I can control it from a table away from the camera. That's a whole other thing. Won't talk about that too much now. There's our Rode mics, lights, there's the office, and the set behind me. I'm gonna do some vlog videos talking about what is on each shelf back there. But let's get back to the Prime. So some retailers in Canada, or at least in Nova Scotia where I am, they're selling this stuff for $10 a bottle. $10. So you go into the candy store, you go into wherever, whatever retailer, $10. That's crazy. Like, what is it? 500 milliliters, $10. Somebody out there do the math on that. That's insane. But I saw it at Circle K Irving, and got that here, and it was $3.49 plus bottle deposit and tax. But you know, that's your usual price for a drink like this, and I just can't believe that. $10. Now I know the secret's out. Circle K Irving, $3.49. I'm just gonna read the bottle here. Prime was developed to fill the void where great taste meets function. With bold, thirst-quenching flavors to help you refresh, we're confident you'll love it as much as we do. Humbly, the Prime team. And there's a whole bunch of symbols and stuff of what's in it. It's a hydration drink, they call it. And this flavor is ice pop. So it's like the old popsicles, the rockets that you used to see everywhere. In the cart, ice cream carts in the summer, you know, when those used to be around. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot of 10% coconut water. There's a lot of warnings at the bottom too that kind of surprised me. Like it's gluten-free, it's caffeine-free, but it says not intended for children. And it was developed by YouTubers, so I'm not quite sure what that's all about. It says for adults only. It says do not exceed 1 serving per day. So they don't recommend you drink more than one of these per day. What else is here? Do not consume this product with other supplemented foods. All right. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use. So this stuff's pretty extreme. I don't know about all those warnings, but I let you know about them. I'm going to risk it. I'm going to try it, see what the flavor's like. I really hope that it does taste like, you know, ice pop, rocket, whatever. All right. Put the camera down so I can open this. So I have to say it looks like a white freezy or an ice pop or what have you. Like it has that look. It does smell like candy. Like it does smell pretty good. It smells like a popsicle. Tastes pretty good. I was really expecting it to taste like coconut, but you really don't taste that coconut water at all. Like, it really tastes like candy. It doesn't taste exactly like an ice pop or a rocket or what have you. It doesn't have that popsicle taste. It tastes like the, it does taste kind of like the white part of a popsicle or Freezy. Like, it has that kind of candy flavor. But I'd recommend it. Like, it tastes good. Be careful of those warnings, but yeah. If I was going to mark it at a 10, maybe I'd give it an 8 or a 9. Like, yeah, I'd drink that. They have a lot of other flavors. They're always coming out with something new. They also have those instant ones where you can pour the powder into your water bottle. So, but, all right. I tried Prime. I'm a YouTuber fanboy now. But remember, Circle K Irving, way better deal than anywhere else. So if you're going to buy this stuff, that's the place to go. What one did I go to? Kearney Lake Road. That's the one I went to, but I'm sure they all have it. Usually Circle K. Every location carries the same stuff. All right. So if you try it, if you try Prime, let me know what you thought. All right. vlog.dagleymedia.com. And that's where you can watch all the other episodes. Usually Abby and I go try chicken somewhere. Where have we gone? Popeyes, McDonald's, Chicken Big Mac. It's all on there. The podcast, Not a Chicken Line Podcast, officially launches tomorrow on all social media sites. So just go to notachickenline.dagleymedia.com. And can't wait to see what everybody thinks of the podcast. All right, that's it. I gotta go check my Twitter. See ya.